Hi, everybody. Let me fix the lighting real quick. Okay, I think that's better. Okay, so these transformations, this whole video is going to be a review of all the different parent functions and how they would adapt to a transformation. So first of all, you're going to have like a y equals, right? Now, all of these numbers relate to different, all these letters, I'm sorry, they're going to be numbers. They relate to different transformations. So not every single parent function is going to have all of these different numbers. I want to remind you that this is also the same as h, and this is the same as k. All right? So let's go through them. They're all pretty standard. And so this would be like y equals 7 or x equals -3, something like that. Okay, so straight line, no slope. If it's a x equals -3, that would be an undefined slope. If it were a y equals 7, that would be a zero slope. Moving on. Okay, we know this one. Y equals mx plus b, just a slanted line, nothing exciting about it. Absolute value has the absolute value bars. Over here on the side, the h and the k could move it up, down, left, or right. A -a would make it downward, right? Okay, number 4, square root function. Okay, square root function has a defined starting point, and then depending on positive a or negative a, would make it go upward or downward. This h and k again moves it, shifts it up, down, left, right, however, okay? H goes left or right, K goes up and down. So we're good with that. Number 5, quadratic, x squared. Easy, basic. Okay, and this is the formula you've seen more often than anything in the past year, and then even in Algebra 1. Okay, going to the back side. Cubic to the third power. Same thing, not squared, to the third power, and then it would shift left or right, up or down, things like that. Okay? Number 7, cube root has a shape that looks like this, very similar, right? Cube root. Number 8, the variable is in the denominator, and then here would be how I would make a shift. Okay? Got some asymptotes. These are when the graph approaches the y-axis but never actually touches. It gets closer and closer and closer. With 9, don't need to worry about 9 at all. That's not something that we did this year. Number 10, okay, x, a variable is my exponent. So here you go with your h and your k and how the shifting would occur. This is the shape of it. And lastly, logarithmic functions are here, and then again, we didn't spend too much time on logarithmic functions, but this is what it looks like. You'd think that it was like a reciprocal function, but see how this crosses an axis, whereas these do not cross the axis. So keep that in mind with the difference between those two parent functions. Okay, so now you've got to go formative to do and work on, but keep this sheet as reference. This is an excellent, excellent resource for you for parent functions. All right, guys, have a great day.